In 2025, many people are choosing electric bikes for travel and fun. The top 5 best electric bike in 2025 are known for their strong battery, fast speed, and smart features. These bikes are perfect for city rides and long trips. They are also eco-friendly, so they help protect the earth. People love them because they are easy to use and save money on fuel. If you want a cool and modern way to travel, these electric bikes are a great choice. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5, Hippito V8 electric bike. When I first got on the Hippito V8, I instantly felt the power of its 500W motor pushing me forward. Whether I'm riding to work or cruising around the neighborhood, the fat tires and suspension make the ride super smooth, even on bumpy roads. What I really love is the removable 48V battery. It charges fast and gives me around 30 to 40 miles of travel, depending on my speed and road. The 7-speed Shimano gear system also helps me adjust my pace easily. For anyone looking for a reliable and affordable electric bike for everyday use, the Hippito V8 is a great pick. Number 4, FREESKY Alaska Pro 2025 Dual Battery E-Bike. If you're like me and hate worrying about battery life, then you'll fall in love with the FREESKY Alaska Pro. This beast comes with a massive dual battery setup, up to 41 Ah, that gives me over 100 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full weekend of riding. The hydraulic suspension keeps everything under control, even on steep or rocky paths. I personally use it for long-distance rides, and I appreciate how solid and well-built it feels. It's one of the best high-range electric bikes I've ever used. Number 3, Clife electric bike for adults, 1500W Peak. I wanted speed, power, and style, and I got all three with the Clife electric bike. It's built with a 1500W Peak motor, so going uphill or accelerating fast is no problem at all. I can hit speeds up to 35 miles per hour, which feels thrilling and smooth at the same time. The dual suspension system absorbs shocks like a pro, and the fat tires grip the road really well. I also like that it comes with a large battery and built-in safety features like front lights and LCD display. This one is perfect if you want a powerful e-bike that's fun to ride and built to last. Number 2, Eaora Terra / Luna Dual Motor E-Bike. Adventure lovers, this one's for you. The Eaora Terra, also called Luna in some listings, has dual motors and peak power up to 3000W, yes, really. When I took it on rough terrain, it handled like a dream. The color display, fat tires, and full suspension setup make it feel more like a motorcycle than a bicycle. The speed tops out at around 33 miles per hour, and the battery range is impressive. I use it for both off-road trails and city commutes, and it never disappoints. It's powerful, aggressive, and super fun. Number 1, Funhang electric bike for adults, 2025. Looking for a budget-friendly electric bike that doesn't feel cheap? That's why I chose the Funhang 2025 model. It's got a 500W motor with 1000W peak, which gives me a decent top speed of around 21 miles per hour. The removable battery takes me about 45 to 50 miles on a single charge, and it charges pretty quickly. It's got suspension forks and disc brakes for comfort and safety. I found it perfect for daily commutes, weekend rides, and it's easy to maintain. It's simple, affordable, and does the job well. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.